Just imagine that you wake up and the world is governed by robots. Or you woke up and every single human has a chip in their brain. The world is moving so fast that you can't even catch up with it. But in all of these tech gadgets, there are some that are churching humanity. Join me as we unravel the dark side of some tech gadgets. We have the self-driven car. A self-driven car, also known as an autonomous car, driverless car, or robotic car, is a car that is capable of traveling without human input. And some of the disadvantage of this self-driven car is security issues. One of the potential cons of self-driven car is the possibility of them hacking it. Job losses. Those who depend on self-driven car to make a living may find their career obsolete with the introduction of self-driven car. The autopilot system may activate when it should not, or fuse when it should activate, crashing into lane dividers or street signs. The risks of fire as autonomous car uses lithium-ion batteries. Facial recognition is a way of identifying or confirming an individual's identity using their face. Facial recognition system can be used to identify people in photos, in videos, or in written. But the dark side of this is that it threatens privacy, it imposes on personal freedom, it violates personal rights, data vulnerabilities, misuse, causing fraud and other crimes. The technology is still new, errors can implicate innocent people and the tech can be manipulated. Smart dust. Smart dust is a system of many tiny micro-electrochemical systems such as sensors, robots, or other devices that can detect, for example, light. In conclusion, smart dust technology boasts immense promise, but it is not without a downside or dark side. Privacy invasion, environmental harm, security risks, and financial implications are among the disadvantages of this innovative concept. The augmented reality AR. The augmented reality AR is defined as an interactive experience in which a real world collides with a computer-generated visual element, sounds, and other stimuli. This can affect your stress level, anxiety, and even addiction. It diminishes face-to-face communication skills, reduces empathy, and isolation from the physical environment, and this can be bad for your health. Geoswarms. Geoswarms can use various methods of command and control, including pre-programmed mission with specifically defined flight pattern. Just imagine that this innovation lies in the hand of the enemy. They could use to launch attack on anywhere in the world, and the risks of these drones include malfunction, failures, errors, or interface that could affect the performance, control, or communication of your drone. This risk could cause your drone to crash, lose power, fly away, or damage property or people.